What's up, techies? What's up, PC enthusiasts, gamers, video editors, photographers? So I brought this Kryonaut high-performance thermal paste for my Y700, right? So I am rendering using the MVA app raw footage from the Canon 7D using the Magic Lantern. And I'm also rendering using DaVinci Resolve, the documentary that I'm actually building up right now. And I want you guys to see the temperatures. Look at the temperature package. 36 Celsius. Oh my panda. I kid you not. Literally, I'm doing multiple applications right now. And the temperatures have been amazing since I applied it yesterday. Now, I tried Apex Legends yesterday, then I noticed that my temperatures would never want to go over 58 Celsius. Pretty good. And I like it. Now, I am a big fan of Arctic Silver, but this particular paste is highly recommended for your enthusiasts out there. Now, I am undervolting my laptop by 0.120 voltage of the offset, right? But I'm also overclocking my video card, as you can see, just to give you guys some context to what I'm doing. And I'm running DaVinci Resolve. And as I run this video, let me show you the teaser for this whole. And it's playing the video really good. Now we're going to keep an eye on the temperatures. As you can see it, it's increasing a little bit. 37 Celsius. And it's going to 39 Celsius. 38 Celsius, it went down. You can see right there in the corner. So in real time, I'm actually doing a lot of applications on this PC, on this laptop. This is my Lenovo 7100. If you've never seen this video of this gaming laptop that I modified and changed the display, changed the RAM, only using SSDs. This is why this laptop, 4 years from now, 4 years later, it's a powerhouse. But with the Kryonaut, oh my panda, what an amazing difference from Arctic Silver. Wow. And mind you, all this is raw footage that's been edited and then combined together through projects. So to give you guys a concept. But I wanted to show you guys in real time that this is burning more power than I guess is equal power to the DaVinci Resolve. And as you can see, I still have about 23 minutes left in time this is a 4 minutes and 50-second piece, one-on-one me talking to you, the audience, about New York's experience. But literally, big difference. And this was only $9. So I definitely recommend it if you guys are gamers, you guys are video editors, filmmakers. Definitely recommend buying this.